Unlock your creative potential with Canva Pro, the best design tool for everyone. Are you looking to take your designs to the next level? Whether you're a content creator, small business owner, social media manager, student, or entrepreneur, Canva Pro is the ultimate tool to bring your ideas to life with ease and professionalism. In this video, I'll show you why Canva Pro is a game changer and how it can help you create stunning graphics, videos, presentations, marketing materials, and so much more, even if you have no design experience. What is Canva Pro? Canva Pro is the premium version of Canva, a user-friendly drag-and-drop design platform trusted by over 100 million people around the world. With Pro, you get access to exclusive tools, content, and features that make your workflow faster, easier, and more professional. Why choose Canva Pro? 100 plus million premium stock photos, videos, audio, and graphics. Remove image backgrounds in one click. Instantly resize designs for any platform with Magic Resize brand kit. Save logos, fonts, and brand colors for consistency. Schedule content directly to 8 social media platforms. Access to 610,000 plus templates for every need. Unlimited folders and storage to organize your projects. Collaborate with your team in real time. Who is Canva Pro for? Canva Pro is perfect for marketers, social media managers, virtual assistants, freelancers, educators, and anyone who needs beautiful designs quickly and efficiently. Design anything, anywhere with Canva Pro. You can design on your laptop, tablet, or phone. Create social media posts, videos, presentations, flyers, business cards, resumes, YouTube thumbnails, and more, all in one place. Boost your productivity and brand image. Save time, stay consistent with your branding, and produce high-quality designs that stand out from the competition. Try Canva Pro for free. Ready to level up your design game? Click the link below in the description to start your Canva Pro free trial and experience the difference for yourself. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on tools that help you grow your brand and create amazing content faster.